Good morning, student. Welcome back to Atmi Green School, Jhareshwar Bharuch, Jai Swaminarayan. My name is Swati Sharma, and it's class 9th, chapter 6, that is lines and angles. In this chapter, we have learned about basic geometry, basic terms and definitions of geometry. What is point? What is point? Point is denoted exact location. Okay, point is denoted exact location. Okay, the basic concept of line is its straightness, and it extends in infinitely in both the direction. That is, it has no definite length and it has no end point. Okay, line having no end point. Understand? Now, what is line segment? The portion of a line between the point, there is two points, two end points are there, that is called line segment. Okay, line segment having definite length, okay, but it having no breadth. What is ray? What is ray? Ray is a, the point A is called the initial point, and ray extend infinitely in one direction. Okay, और जहाँ से वो रे स्टार्ट होती है डेट इज कॉल्ड इनिशियल पॉइंट और एंड पॉइंट, ओके, ऑफ द रे. नाउ व्हाट इज एंगल? द एडजॉइनिंग डायग्राम शो दिस इज द line segment, line. What is collinear point? Sorry, first we have learned what is collinear point. When three or more points, they are on a same line, lies on a same line, they are called collinear point. Otherwise, they are called non-collinear. Okay, means if the points are on the same line, means the points are on the same line, then it is called 1, 2, 3, 4. These are on the same line, so it's called collinear point. I told A, B, C are collinear point. Okay, and if the points are this type, they are not collinear point. Understand? Okay. Now what is angle? When two rays meet at a point, the initial point is called is form an angle. Okay, वहाँ जहाँ पर दो रे एक दूसरे को मिलती हैं, that is called that form an angle. The adjoining diagram, this is a angle, and angles are so many types. That is acute angle. What is acute angle? That is less than 90 degree and greater than 0 degree. Means greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Exactly 90 degree means that is right angle. Okay, when the angle is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, that is called obtuse angle. Okay, and what do you mean by straight angle? If an angle is straight line, that is a measure of 180 degree, then it is called straight angle. Okay, and more than 180 and less than 360 is called reflex angle. That is called reflex angle. Understand? Now we have talked about what is adjacent angle. What is adjacent angle? What is adjacent angle? Two angles are called adjacent angle if they have a common vertex, a common arm, and their non-common arm lies on different side of the common arm. Understand? Okay, this is called reflex angle. This is called adjacent angle because they have a common arm and common vertex, and non-common arms are different sides. मीन्स इस साइड के डिफरेंट अलग अलग साइड पर होंगी दो नॉन कॉमन आर्म्स, दे आर कॉल्ड एडजेसेंट एंगल. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ व्हाट इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स? द सम ऑफ टू एंगल्स इज 90, देन इट इज कॉल्ड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. ओके, टू एंगल आर कॉल्ड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री इफ द सम ऑफ देयर मेजर is 90 degree. Each angle is called complement of the other. Complementary angle need not to नीड नॉट बी एडजेसेंट, जरूरी नहीं है कि वो एडजेसेंट हो. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल? द टू एंगल आर called supplementary angle if the sum of their measure is 180 degree. Okay, each angle is called the supplement of the other. Supplementary angle need not be adjacent. Okay, understand? Angle at a point. Angle at a point. If we talk about angle at a point, see. Now first we talk about linear pair, then we talk about angle at a point. Okay, what is linear pair? What is linear pair? Two adjacent angle are said to form a linear pair of angle if their non-common arm form a straight line. Okay, if the non-common arm forms a straight line, so if it become 180, then it is called linear pair. Okay, it is vertically opposite angle if two lines intersect each other. Then vertically opposite angles are equal. Understand? It's your theorem 6.1. And what is linear pair axioms? If a ray stand on a line, then the sum of two adjacent angles so formed is 180. अगर एक लाइन के ऊपर एक रे जा रही है, लाइन मतलब स्ट्रेट लाइन है, उस पर अगर कोई रे जा रही है तो उस पर जितने जो एंगल बनेंगे दे आर कॉल्ड लीनियर पेयर. ओके, और वो 180 डिग्री का एंगल ही बनाएंगे. इफ़ द सम, एंड सेकेंड एक्सियोम से इफ़ द सम ऑफ टू एडजेसेंट एंगल इज 180, then the non-common arm of the angle form a line. Understand? These two are called linear pair axioms. These two are called linear pair axioms. Okay, now what is intersecting line and what is parallel line? The line they meet at a point, that is called intersecting line, and the line they do not meet, they are called parallel line. If two distinct lines are drawn in a plane, then they will intersect each other in a unique point. Okay, or will be parallel. या तो वो एक दूसरे को कट करेंगी या वो पैरेलल रहेंगी. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो thus distinct lines drawn in a plane are parallel if and only if they are not intersecting. Okay, understand? Now angle at a point. If we talk about angle at a point, see this figure. If we talk about angle at a point, then the 5 angles here, 1 2 3, their 3 angles together make one complete rotation, so they add up to 360. This is true no matter how many angles are formed at a point. The sum of angle at a point is 360 degree. Okay, if the figure is this type, so many एंगल, अगर आप यहाँ पर 5 एंगल 6 एंगल ही बना लोगे, पर ये कंप्लीट रोटेशन कितना है? 360 है. ओके, सो एंगल एट अ पॉइंट ऑलवेज 360 डिग्री. सो आपको बोलना है कि सम ऑफ एंगल्स एट अ पॉइंट इज़ 360 डिग्री. जितने भी एंगल्स दिए हैं उनका सम करके आप जो एंगल आपको अननोन है वो फाइंड कर सकते हो. अंडरस्टैंड? एंगल ऑन वन साइड ऑफ अ लाइन. इफ दिस टाइप ऑफ फिगर, देन सम इज ऑलवेज 360. Okay, but if the figure is this type, then sum of angle will be 180, क्योंकि लाइन के ऊपर एंगल ऑन वन साइड ऑफ अ लाइन है. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, नाउ if we talk about parallel line and a transversal, you know what is transversal? A line that intersect two lines in a plane at different point is called a transversal. Okay, understand? In the adjoining figure, line L intersect two line M and N at a distinct point P and Q. Okay, so line L is a transversal. Line L is called transversal. Okay, note that 4 angles are formed at P and 4 angles are formed at Q. Okay, for convenience we label them by the numbers, means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, classification of angle by from by and transversal. The angle 3 4 5 and 6 are called interior angle. Okay, the angle 1 2 7 and 8 are called exterior angle. Understand? 1 2 7 and 8 are called exterior angle, and 3 4 5 6 are called interior angle. Okay, the 4 pair 1 5 2 6 3 7 4 8 are called pair of corresponding angles. See, 2 2 6. Okay, 1 5 3 7, one interior one exterior, they are called, and same side of a transversal. Okay, means if I talk about 1 का corresponding angle of 1 is 5. Okay, corresponding angle of 3 is 7, corresponding angle of 8 is 4, corresponding angle of 2 is 6. Understand? Now the two pair 3 5 and 4 6 are called alternate interior angle. Okay, means if we talk about alternate interior angle, then alternate means one is this and one लाइन के दोनों साइड के, एक ऊपर वाला एक नीचे वाला, दे आर कॉल्ड अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल. ओके, और अल्टरनेट एंगल सेम. alternate exterior angle 1 and 7, 2 and 8. Understand? The two pair 3 6 4 and 5 are pair of angle of interior angle on the same side of a transversal. They are also called co-interior, consecutive interior, co-joint और allied angle. Understand? Okay, बुक के अंदर कोई भी नाम हो सकता है, आप उससे कंफ्यूज नहीं होंगे. दे आर कॉल्ड अलाइड एंगल, को इंटीरियर, कॉन्जिक्यूटिव इंटीरियर और को ज्वाइंट. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके. ओके, नाउ property of angle associate with parallel line. What is the property? Main property. First axioms according to parallel line associate with parallel line. If a transversal intersect two parallel line, then each pair of corresponding angle. If a transversal intersect two parallel line, then each pair of corresponding angle is equal. This is your axiom 6.3. And what do you mean by axiom? Axiom is a universal truth. Axiom मतलब होता है कि वो पूरी तरह से proven है, उसको proof करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. But theorem you have to prove. Okay. Now, if a transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of corresponding angle is equal, then the two lines are parallel. Means, if a corresponding angles are equal, then that two lines are parallel to each other. Okay, this is your axiom 6.3. Okay, now second axiom is 6.4 axiom is, if a transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of corresponding angles equal, then the two lines are parallel to each other. Understand? If corresponding angle are equal, then two lines are parallel to each other, and if two lines are parallel to each other, then corresponding angle are equal. Understand? Okay, what is theorem 6.2? If a transversal intersect two parallel line, then each pair of alternate interior angle is equal. If transversal intersect two parallel line, then each pair of alternate interior angle is equal. This is your theorem 6.2. Understand? Now our theorem 6.3 is, if a transversal intersect two lines such that the pair of alternate interior angle is equal, then the two lines are parallel. Means, if alternate interior angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. And another theorem is, if lines are parallel, then alternate interior angles are equal. Understand? This is your theorem 6.3 and 6.4. Okay. And if a transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of interior angle on the same side of a transversal is supplementary. What is supplementary? Add up of two angle is 180. Okay. Then the two lines are parallel. To each other. Okay. This is your theorem 6.5. Understand? So, why these theorems will be useful? See, if in the question it is given two lines are parallel. If two lines are parallel is given, then corresponding angles are equal, alternate interior angles are equal, and sum of same side of transversal sum of interior angle of same side of a transversal is supplementary. Okay, so you use these three properties and prove and find any angles. Okay, and if it's given supplementary angle are equal, same side of transversal is angle are supplementary, then you have to prove the lines are parallel. Okay, so you use these theorems and prove the lines are parallel, and if lines are parallel, then these theorems are true. Understand? So this type you have to use the theorems. Okay, now lines parallel to the same line. If one line parallel to the another, means L is parallel to M and L is parallel to N also, then we can say that L is parallel to M. Okay, we have we prove this in previous video. Okay, so I think you learn these theorems, and it's very important theorems. This theorem I think you learn in from 7th class, 7th, 8th and 9th. This is your third year to learn this question. Okay, now what is theorem 6.6? Line which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. Okay, line which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. Okay, this is your theorem 6.6. Okay, now and according to this all theorems we have solves exercise 6.2. Okay, this is time to revision. We have going to revise full chapter. Okay, now angle sum property of a triangle. What is theorem 6.7? The sum of the angle of a triangle is 180 degree. See students, आपको ये सारे के सारे थ्योरम लर्न करना है, ये आपको 10th में भी काम आएंगे. अंडरस्टैंड? सो यू हैव टू लर्न ऑल द थ्योरम्स. और लर्न करने से अच्छा है जब आप इसको समझ जाएंगे तो यू कैन ईजीली लर्न इट. ओके, आपको पता है कि अगर दो लाइन पैरेलल होती है तो उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स इक्वल होते हैं, उसके अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स इक्वल होते हैं, उसके सेम साइड ट्रांसवर्स के सेम साइड के इंटीरियर एंगल्स का एडिशन सप्लीमेंट्री होता है. अगर आपको पता है लीनियर पेयर क्या होते हैं, अगर आपको पता है वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल इक्वल होते हैं, तो आपके लिए बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन इजी हो जाते हैं करना. अंडरस्टैंड? ये खाली इस साल की बात नहीं है 9th की, आपको 10th में भी ये यूज़फुल होने वाला है. सो लर्न इट. द थ्योरम्स आर वेरी यूज़फुल टू यू. सो लर्न दिस थ्योरम्स and it is always useful to you. Okay, the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This is your angle sum property of a triangle, that is sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, in triangle there is three angles, so you can say angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Understand? Or you can see angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 180 degree. This is your angle sum property of a triangle, and we do its related sums. Okay, now what is exterior angle theorem? If a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angle. Okay, if a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angle. Okay, it is obvious from the above theorem that an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than either of its interior opposite sides, opposite angles. Okay, understand? So student, in this chapter we learn so many theorems and so many axioms. Okay, and we know our fifth chapter is removed, but you have, I will give you one video for Euclid geometry, that is axioms and postulate. What is axiom, what is postulate, and see, if you learn it, if you see the video, then you can understand what is axiom, what is postulate. Okay, and what is difference between axioms and postulate. And it is very important to you because this word is new to you. What is axiom and what is postulate, what is difference between axioms and postulate and theorems. Okay, see, in your in 10th standard you see axioms, some postulate, some theorems, and you know in axioms and postulate, both are, axioms are used for all mathematics purpose and postulate is generally used for only geometry. Okay, and axioms and postulate को हमें प्रूफ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती क्योंकि वो यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ है. जैसे हम बोलते हैं, अगर हम बोलें कि सन इज़ राइज ऑन ईस्ट, इट्स ए यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ. आज बोलोगे तब भी वो ट्रू है, आप आज से 10 साल बाद बोलोगे या आज से 10 साल पहले पूछोगे तब भी वो ट्रूथ है. अंडरस्टैंड? सो इन दिस चैप्टर वी हैव लर्न अबाउट बेसिक ऑफ ज्योमेट्री. ओके, एंड लाइन्स and parallel lines and intersecting line and transversal and transversal, always transversal make 8 angles. Okay, and this relation between these 8 angles, there are some corresponding angle, there are something some alternate angle, interior alternate angle, exterior alternate angle. Okay, and what is relationship between them. Okay, we learn about what is linear pair, what is collinear point, what is non collinear point, and I think मैंने आपको इसमें बताया है कि what is co-planar. ओके, मीन्स एक ही प्लेन पर जो पॉइंट है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड को-प्लेनर, और जो अलग अलग प्लेन पर हैं दैट इज़ कॉल्ड नॉन को-प्लेनर. ओके, so this is very important to you, and we learn angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, and when the lines are parallel, there are 3 conditions. If lines are parallel, then corresponding angles are equal. If the lines are parallel, then alternating interior angles are equal, and interior angle of same side of a transversal is always supplementary, then the lines are parallel. Okay, and what is exterior angle property of a triangle? If a side of a triangle is produced, the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angle. Okay, now I will give you some work, so complete it by yourself. Okay, see these fill-ups and do it by yourself. Okay, all these fill-up you are doing in your notebook. Okay, two angles are called adjacent angle if they have a common vertex, a common arm, and their non-common arm lies on dash of the common arm. I will told you in a video. Okay, so read carefully and do it in your notebook. Understand? Okay, all of you do it in your notebook, and I hope you are completed exercise 6 also, exercise 6.3, 6.2 and 6.1. completed in your notebook and learn all the theorems. Okay, understand? Have a good day.